Hello Kizomba and Urban Kiz lovers, and welcome to another Urban Kiz tutorial.
We are Lavinia and Armand, and in today's tutorial we are going to share with you a very nice and cool Urban Kiz move. Please make sure to stay with us until the end of the tutorial because we are going to spice it up with some styling elements.
7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. For the leaders, I will make a Saida lady. 1, 2, 3. I open on 4, 4. On 5, I will do a touch or marca beside my right leg. And on 6, I will step and a little bit I go down. 6. And from this position on 7, I will go up. 7.
Followers, you are going to start with Saida lady. 1, 2, 3, go into opening. 4, you step on 5, and on 6 you go a bit down, because on 7 you are going to go up and you are going to raise your right leg. Make sure that you orientate a bit the toes of your left foot, yeah, on the circle.
So again, for the leaders, the next part without partner. For the leaders, I'm here on 6. On 7 I will go up 7, and from this position I will turn. On 8 I will step, on 1 I will step, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I finish here with my weight on my left leg, and from this position I will step with my right foot a little bit backwards to the side, 8. In the same time I will release from my elbow, 8. Okay, I'm here, 8. On 1 I will step towards my left, 1. From this position I will do on 2 a touch forward like this with my leg straight, 2. On 3 I will go back, and 4 I close. Let's do it in couple now. So I make the Saida lady, 1, 2, 3, I open 4. On 5 I use a little bit my forearm to make her step, 4, 5. On 6 also I will push a little bit towards my left, so I will make her step and I go after her here. I'm a little bit down, and from this position I will use my palm to catch her back here like this with my forearm here. And from this position I will use my intention a little bit my arm to go up, 7. Okay? Now from this position I will keep this L position, okay, we are like this. And I will turn, I will step 8, I will step in cross, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm here again, okay, and from this position I release my elbow, I slide a little bit my palm from this position here on her left shoulder blade. I bring her towards my right. Now I use a little bit my arm to bring her to me. I will touch. After that I will step and close.
So we are here on 6, 7. I want to maintain my axis. I want to keep my shoulders down, and I want to keep the contact with my leader by pressing a bit down when he's starting to rotate. Okay? While he is rotating, I want to make sure that I maintain my position and I'm not hitting him with my right knee. After he is rotating, when he's gonna release the tension and he's gonna make me face him, that's when I transfer the weight, and then I simply continue into a Saida lady. And we close together.
Let's do it together, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, release 8, 1, 2, 3, basic 2, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we are going to make this move a little bit harder. So we are going to stay here on 6. Okay. For me as a leader, on 7, when I go up, I will use a little bit my intention to bring her here close to me, okay, to create a momentum, 7 or 7 and from this position I will use my body and my intention to release. In the same time, I'm here, when I release, I extend a little bit my elbow. At the end of the move, I will stop her with my arm, so she will not transfer the weight here like this. She will make like a touch, a stop, okay? Now, we are here, okay? I create the momentum, 7, and here, just stay on place, you as a leader, and use the intention and the arm to go, and from this position again, come back. Go, come back. You see, I will also use my intention. I'm not going to do like this with my arm. Sorry. I will go a little bit with my body and release. I go opposite. I bring and release. Now, the next thing that you need to do from this position, when I charge the move, when I release my partner, I will step with my right foot. Boom. Okay, I'm with my weight on the right leg. I will also stop her, okay, I will not let her transfer the weight. And from this position, when I create again the momentum, I will step with my left leg. Here. And again, boom, and come back. And step on your right leg and step on your left leg. It's important to do this kind of movement like here, only with your body, and after that with the step, because it will help you a lot after. Let's try to do this in our movement. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I create the momentum. From this position, I will turn her and release. 8. I will bring her back. I will step. 1, release. 2, 3, release. 4, 5, release. 6, 7, I'm here in the first position, and on 8 I will also do a release and transfer. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Some tips and tricks now for you. The first one for you as a leader, when I make the Saida lady, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here on 6, I will try a little bit to open my toes on my left foot. Also, I will have here a checkpoint, and I will step behind my partner, okay? I'm not going to step here on the same line or forward. I go behind her, like this. The second tip for you as a leader here, try to add that rotation intention in your body, okay? So I'm not going to step like this, because here I will not make her turn. I need to give her that impulse. So I make the steps to make her pivot on her left leg. And the third tip for you as a leader, here try to step in cross. So I step with my right leg, and with the left leg I step in cross, right in cross, right in cross, to make sure that I have space for my legs. If I step like this with this leg, with the left leg forward, it's possible to step on her feet. Okay, not like this.
Followers. So for you, the first tip, every time you're lifting your leg, make sure that your knee is in front. You're going to the side and your knee is coming back in front. Try to avoid going to the back, otherwise you are going to hit your leader who's coming from the rotation behind you, okay? Second tip, keep in mind that you are going to rotate, yeah? So every time he's lifting you up and sending you, he's going to rotate you a bit more. Then he's taking you up, and then he's rotating you. So, do you see what I'm doing with my heel? I'm lifting it a bit in order for me to rotate. Yeah? I lift, rotate, lift, rotate, lift, rotate.
Now, let's go from the complete movement. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Some cool footwork for you as a leader. The first one here, 1, 2, 3, 4. On end, I will bring my left foot here. On 5, I will do a touch towards my left. On end, I bring my foot again and step on 6. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. The second footwork for you as a leader is here at the end of the movement. I'm here on 7. I will do the step on 8. On 1, when I step here with this leg, I will also try to make a movement with my heel. So I make like raise the heel and go here in the same time. So it's 1, I will step here and do the movement with the heel. On end, I raise my toes towards my right leg, and on 2, I do the touch. On 3, I step. On 4, I close.
Let's spice up our steps. So we are starting with the lady side at 1, 2, 3, 4 into the opening, and then I'm gonna do a semicircle and 5, and I transfer the weight, and after that I go down on 6. Again, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. The second footwork that you can use, it's at the end of the movement. After the leader is doing the 7, I'm going to go into the 8 and I do a touch. Yeah, I try to rotate a bit my hips and then I go into the step to the side. 1, here I go again, and 2, 3, and I close 4. Again, from this position, I'm here on 7, I go 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4.
So let's try to do it together with footwork. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Thank you everyone for watching our today's tutorial. If you have any questions or any suggestions of tips of stuff that you want to see from us, please let us know in the comments down below. Until next time, bye. See you.